as you can see, it's tea. Thank you.
Yeah.
If you don't stop, but Birkin stop.
It's a joke.
Keep going, keep going.
好笑哦。
ASMR.
Earring.
Yeah.
Like 包到眼镜的 something else.
我眼镜的。
Yeah, 包到眼镜的 Yeah.
眼镜。Nice to meet you, Vivienne Westwood. Hi, me, internship. Y2K thing is like you know. I think if you wear this, everyone will think you're gay. Oh, so cute, so big, so thick, so good. เด้งตูดโชว์กันนะคะ Oh, you know what it is?
傻小 I don't know. What the fuck? Good morning, Margiela. Today, special guest is here. And today we prepared something that we bought during Black Friday. Saravade outlet. Yes, like
It's far from Milan.
fucking big.
1 to 2 hours.
Today we prepared 12 items to unboxing.
Very expensive.
Very expensive, yeah. Oh my god.
so-
Oh my god. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, my money.
Oh.
Fly away. Fly away. Let's do
Let's
it.
go.
Of white rings.
Yeah, white rings.
You can see it's silver 925 with the brass in the middle. Actually, I thought it's gold, but it's not. Okay, it's
Yeah,
a sale.
it's an off-white sale.
And this is my first off-white goods.
Do you like off-white? So.
Not really.
Not really?
It's not my favorite brand. But yeah, I bought this one.
Yeah, we've been to the very huge garage, and they also have a kids wear, women's wear, men's wear,
Yeah, and shoes. A lot.
and really fucking big discount. But
It's still
yes,
expensive.
yeah, still fucking expensive.
It's really expensive. I don't know why.
Yeah, still expensive.
They should discount like 90%.
Because the original price is too high. Like
Yeah, it's too high.
600, and you have like a 70% discount. So okay, so how would you rate this ring? 1 to 10?
8.
8.
Yeah.
That
First,
is
I
off-white.
don't like gold.
Ah, yeah. She doesn't like fucking gold.
But this one is okay.
Next one. Earring. Earring. Vivienne Westwood earrings.
Nice to meet you, Vivienne Westwood. Hi, me, internship. It's hoop earring. 3 mini charms.
Yeah, it's fucking tiny.
So cute. With diamond inside of each. There's a mini logo in the middle.
I cannot even see the orb, you know. It's fucking small.
Yeah, it's very small. But there's like bling, 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 bling. Yeah. I don't know how to explain. I bought this only 65 euro.
Oh really? Oh, it's fucking cheap. How many earrings do you have?
I don't know.
A lot.
A lot. I have 6 holes, so I have a lot.
Oh, so okay, so what occasion you will wear about this?
Any occasion, this is a general thing.
Ay, 水。水啊。Yeah, I'm gonna unbox my necklace because it's also Vivienne Westwood, and I also bought in Saravade outlet. Vivienne Westwood. It changed the style because they used the heart to replace the orb inside. Pink diamond on it, not the like transparent diamond or blue diamond, blah 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 blah.
I think the length is perfect, you know, not too long, not too short.
But you can adjust.
Yeah.
Cool. Good. Yeah. Next one, also Vivienne Westwood.
This is Vivienne Westwood series.
yeah, Vivienne Westwood series. Sasha. It's a skull style necklace.
See?
Vivienne Westwood. A lot of diamonds on it.
Yeah, and mini orbs here. So cute. Vivienne Westwood always take skull or skeleton
Or to the earrings.
Yeah,
or
to be
necklace, something else.
on accessories.
She said, "Okay, I'm gonna go Vivienne Westwood to pick some keychains, something else, blah blah blah
Yeah,
blah."
key.
When we arrived there, and she said like, "Hey, how about this keychain? How about this keychain?"
Because keychain was 90.
Yeah, 90 euro for a keychain. Who will fucking buy a keychain for 90 euro? And I told her like, nah, don't buy it. It's fucking useless. And she said, okay,
Actually, it
how about
depends.
like this?
It depends.
No, it's not depends. Just fucking use this.
No, it depends. Yes, and I like this. It's new collection.
Oh, so cute! So cute. They grill a lot of holes on the surface and they put
To
the
put
diamond
diamond.
on it. So it's fucking cool. Like because it looks like hundred of diamonds on it, you
It's
know?
a detail work.
Yeah, so I think like that's why it costs like 220 euro. This one! Woohoo!
Miu Miu sunglasses.
Oh my god! Woo.
It's very Y2K. I like
Fucking
it.
Y2K.
Two different model, but it's wide and thin. Hey, but I don't like gold. But I don't know. Everyone vote. It's good on me because I was gonna buy a pink one, but you and that girl,
the sales?
yeah,
Mm.
she told me no, this one.
Oh,
Yeah,
she is the sales that she told us that you can get the texture found.
Y2K.
we bought in how to say Smart Supervisor. Yeah, it's
Flagship store.
it's a flagship store. Like 包到眼镜的 something else. Yeah, 包到眼镜的 yeah.
Y2K thing is like you know.
Yeah, I think it really looks good on her. Let me try. I'm gonna try.
Not bad.
Oh, not bad actually.
Not bad.
Right?
I think if you wear this, everyone will think you're gay.
Let me see.
I never seen men wear this.
Yum. Oh, it's light. Actually,
Yeah,
it's light.
it's really light.
I searched what is the process of these sunglasses. Like first they make the lens first, and then they will grill some holes on the lens, and it will lock the logo, Mimi logo. Blah 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 here. Oh, this is so cool. It looks like some like Tony Stark would wear these sunglasses, something like that. The curve here. Ooh, I really like these sunglasses. Design things, you know. This one.
Oh, so far so good. So far so good.
Iconic Studio.
Okay, as you can see, it's T. Thank you.
Yeah. Acne Studio logo, t-shirt, that's it. And it's very soft and thin.
But I cannot wear in winter.
1996, you don't know why? Because acne was found in 1996.
Yeah, that's what I say. But I don't know in English.
Can you illegally? Not illegally. But I don't know why they have Stockholm. I don't know why.
Because the brand is born in Stockholm. Search again. I don't want to look stupid.
Crack print.
Yeah, the crack thing, the handcraft thing.
The fabric of whole t-shirt, like they use enzyme wash to let it more old, more look like vintage things, you know, and soft. Really soft, moto. And
If my parents see this, they will think like, oh, this is a second-hand tee.
And you wore like 10 years, something else?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Oh, I love this one.
There's
oh
two
my
colors,
God.
white and this one, dark gray.
Let's
Here.
screen first and like.
Yeah, I like it. It's not a digital print.
This one is Margiela, not MM6 though. Iconic logo on the back. So where did you buy this one? She went to the sales with me.
MM sale.
It's like 3,200 Taiwanese dollars. Very cool. I like this. I really like this one.
Very cheap.
Is a Margiela pants.
It's MM6.
Yeah, this one is an MM6. They use screen printing first, and they use the bleach effect, like made it like yeah.
I like it.
The flowers here.
Yeah, so cool.
Many flowers. I'm a son and a flower. Thank
I
you.
can buy myself flower.
Thank you. The front side is like this one, but the back side is like
Nothing.
white. The texture of the tag is like how to say
like
paper something. Thick
Sandpaper.
The sales of Margiela is like oh
Good.
my god.
So good.
Yeah, because last video, like I told them like, how do you think about the sales?
Good.
Good and
Good. Many goods there. Acceptable. Reasonable. Perfect. Oh, but we have limited time.
Yes, only like
Only two,
one and a half. Bodyguard said like, oh, you have to go, you have to pay.
Yeah.
Oh. And then
Nice.
this one.
Very cute. From Amy brand. So cute. So big. So thick. So good.
It's pronounced Amy or Amia.
Yeah, if you know, you know. Just please tell us.
Yeah, I think it's Ami. I think this scarf she bought from
Outlet.
Sedavale.
I love the color, the texture.
Low key color, I would say. It's suitable with any style.
Suitable?
Yeah, I think so.
Adapt.
They blur the line, like you can see. It's not very like you know. It's mixed together. It's warm.
Yes, it's warm. But one thing I don't like is because I always put lip gloss or lip oil.
Ah.
And this texture will stick in my lips.
Oh my god. You should take it before. But this is your first product from Ami.
Yeah,
The first one.
yeah.
I think they
But
look
this
like
gum is
more
okay.
the how to say Lolo Piana things, right?
Yeah,
Quiet luxury.
same aesthetic.
Yeah. Well, the quality is quite good. The quality is good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Next one, my turn. The first one is here. Is an Umbro cap. I realized yesterday is a collaboration with Slam Jam.
Ah.
That's why it looks very special. Slam Jam is a fashion store, fashion brand store.
Multi-brand store.
Yes. Yeah, it's a multi-brand store in Milano. It's kind of famous, I think. They import a lot of different brands. There's a fire frame here, and a big Umbro logo here and here. When you wear the front side here, you can see the logo here. But when you wear it like this, and here's also a logo. So yeah, I think it's good. Embroidery logos and embroidery on the, I don't know how to say the lines here, you know. I think it look a little bit similar with the Easy Get. Easy, you know, that one. They have a fire, the Easy, that one. Yeah, similar elements, I would say. Yeah. I bought this cap from One Block Down. One Block Down is like a multi-brand store in Milano. But Slam Jam, I think, is like, they sell more high price products like Y3 or Needles. That day, like, oh, we just walk past by One Block Down, and I said, oh yeah, maybe we can go inside and check something, you know. And I saw this hat when I tried, and she said, bye. Yes, she said, oh, it's cool. Bye.
Yeah.
My last new hat is 2J's, the red one. So like 3 months ago.
Oh.
Yes, I was like, okay, maybe, yeah, buy one. yeah. Next one. Suyo.
If you don't stock, but Birkin stock.
It's a joke.
Keep going.
好笑哦. My first Birkenstock in my life. Die.
Congratulations.
A plus. I wanted to buy Birkenstock when I was like 18 years old. I saw my cousin. He wore like a Birkenstock. So I was like, oh, I want to buy this one. It's cool. I bought an outlet. So of course it had a discount. Yeah. Cool. And the surface is like a wool.
Yeah, and it's not velvet, as the Birkenstock usually do.
I think it's more special than the normal one. This version of shoes I've never seen before. I don't know. So I was like, oh, okay, maybe this one for me is like more special, and it's more like a quiet luxury things, you know, like Loro Piana, something else. How long have you wear Birkenstock to let it soft? Let it soft.
You have to wear often. Turn into your feet shape.
Ah, yeah, because
It's not really soft.
I was very hesitant, like two shoes. One is this one, another one is the white one. The white slipper that we saw in Zermatt. Yeah, but I was like, nah, that is too easy to get dirty. Yes, it's fucking white, but it's very good looking, you know. Very good. My first Birkenstock, very nice. Off-white doormat. It's so cool! ASMR. I really want to buy many hoodies and jackets, but it's too expensive, you know. So I was like, okay, this one is very cheap, only 60 euro. The biggest problem is I don't know how can I bring back to Taiwan. It's fucking huge, and I don't think my suitcase can fit this one. Many people say like, oh, why is it out of trend things? But you know, like this brand is for me. I want to buy this brand when I was in high school because that is I think it's the peak, right? It's a peak of white, I think.
Yeah,
Everyone wears
and
the many
fake products from everywhere.
Yeah. I was like, oh, this brand is my dream. I really want to buy something from Off-White. So yeah, I bought this mat and it's fucking heavy.
Shit.
Yeah, at least 2.
Oh,
Yeah,
it can be 2.
Yeah, I think I 2
Or
kilograms.
one half.
Yeah. the sales is quite far away from our house, so anyway, you take the bus and take the metro.
It's like he carried TV. It's the same size as TV, right?
Yeah, similar. Let's see.
Whoa.
Ooh! Yeah, similar.
Almost.
Almost, yeah. It's very durable and dirt resistant. You can clean for your shoe sauce, so perfect. Finito. I think the necklace will be my favorite one. Yeah, it's very cool and cute. When I bought this necklace, and she said like, what did you say?
Yeah, it's unexpected that he bought this necklace.
Yeah, why?
Because you don't wear accessory.
Yeah.
Because you always say it's expensive.
Uh-huh.
And this one is hot and pink. It's like, it's definitely not a thing you will buy.
Not my style.
When he gonna buy? I thought he gonna buy for his mom, but he bought for himself.
What is your favorite items of this video?
This necklace and Miu Miu sunglasses.
Sunglasses. Okay.
In love.
水嘛，水。
I'm in love with these two.
Okay, so which one is your favorite item? Comments below.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll finish our video and see you next week. Bye bye.
See you.